Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food, instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Today we are about to pop out of this pennant finally, and by the looks of things you don't have any much further time more than 18th of November, so the maximum waiting time is until tomorrow. I'm actually out of so many different coins that are following Bitcoin, etc. I'm trying to trade one thing, which is TWT, by the way. That's what I'm trying to trade with some very low buying thing. I'm not putting in a lot of money, by the way. So right now at the moment, another recap, went down like this, moved sideways, made the pennant, very clear pennant, by the way. So look at this. If I had to read this one for you, that's one resistance there. This is the second resistance right here. You got another resistance right there, and you can see the upper resistance is just declining down. Another resistance there. You're really getting squeezed. Another resistance here, and the squeezes keep happening, right? And then you have this lower support right there. You got another lower support right over there. This one right over here. You got another support that is right over there, and another support and another support. So this another support as well, and then finally that's another support. So keep in mind, if you try to break it to the upside, because the break, I cannot control the break. So if the break is happening to the upside, then you're looking for that quick 17,781. And the funny thing they can do is they can very quickly make a wick up to 17 or 18,000, and very quickly, by the end of the day when you close, it just ends up being a wick and the sell-off starts, and then you finally go down. And Bitcoin, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin does that, because it loves doing that. So liquidate people before going down is something you might consider. And nothing is clear though. You can just still end up squashing down, coming back for the retest to 16,700 again, and then finally move down to 12,000, which is a technical target out of that pennant right here. So I'm just going to leave the charts like this until we don't continue on tomorrow, and always a stop loss down at 15,574. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. Very quick one. Hope you enjoyed this very short, quick version. Always try to trade, learn how to trade on this course, and that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.